Guys, I'm doing a video on the Black & Decker handheld vacuum. Here we go. And you can also check out my other videos on the DeWalt and the Craftsman vacuum. Oh yeah, and this does vacuum up. See, look at this. Gets the job done. Hold on, let me show you what I picked up. Okay, I'm back, and see that orange piece that I just vacuumed up? There it is. Quite dusty because I used it. Doesn't have to flap because I lost it while I was rinsing the bin. Okay, I just put the whole vacuum together. Because here's where it goes. I just taped it up because this filtration right here is not good. And this is not leaked. It's like leaked, like the dust. See this crack right here? Dust comes out. And this crack right here, dust comes out. And this is not a good HEPA filtration. So I recommend, if you have this, go buy the better filter for this if you have allergies or asthma. And I wish this button, was like it power a switch like on, off, like that. Like now just like hold it and release it. Like this. Like that. Yeah, it just really is like a cheap design, and I took this apart before. I'll do a video on that, okay? Okay. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. And click the bell button so you can never miss out our videos. Bye!